coffee table. You laugh, say this place is crooked. I say that's what makes it stable. Shadows dancing on your cheekbones, orange flicker in your eyes. World outside is all in grayscale. Here it's ember soft and alive. Crackling fireplace logs talk louder than we do. Every spark rise a line in the quiet between me and you. We don't need many words, just this small steady glow. Crackling fireplace logs teaching us to take it slow. Sweater smells like winter air. Snow stacks higher on the mailbox, but we're not going anywhere. You trace circles on my knuckles. Say you're scared the calm won't last. I just pull you in a little closer. Let the flames answer that. Yeah, let it snap, let it hiss, let the night sound like this. If the future ever feels too cold, we'll remember how this warmth took hold. Yeah. Crackling fireplace logs talk louder than we do. Every spark writes a line in the quiet between me and you. We don't need many words, just this small steady glow.